Okay guys, so now I wanna going back to my course. I'm from my house friend. His home in Kalibata. And now I'm going to the station. See you guys in the train station. Okay guys, and now I am in Angkot. It's very empty here. And my destination now, I'm gonna to the Cilengsi. I'm riding this Angkot from the Cibubur, from the LRT. Actually, I wanna ride the minibus to the Citraland, but I was wrong. I was wrong when I looked the schedule. So yeah, after this I will ride Angkot 2 when I arrive in the Cilengsi. You know, if we ride Angkot, it's very hot here, but because the weather is look gonna rain, that's why the weather is a little cold. Maybe we can say cozy, little cozy. So yeah, that's my vlog. Thanks for watching.